And also sports can also be a field for entrepreneurship. And he mentioned about the importance of having raw material. Basically, he was talking about the importance of ecosystem. We need to understand our ecosystem. Then we had another paper on bio-entrepreneurship from Mr. Yorin Tomba, and where he highlighted about the importance of support system. And what I think is that there are two papers, one of which is Yorin Tomba's, and he was emphasizing on MSME, and this is something very vast, and we need to dig more information on it, because a lot of informations are there, and it will take a lot of time. That's why he was hard pressed for time. In that short time, you could highlight so much information. Thank you very much for that. And also, bio-entrepreneurship is very, very relevant for, I believe, an agrarian economy like Manipur. It's very, very important. And also, we heard about from Dr. Kishore's prospects and challenges of entrepreneurship and startups in Manipur. There, he highlighted the importance of understanding the environment. And this is also something I believe that to want to do business, first we need to understand the environment. We must do an analysis of the environment, just like country analysis. And we also heard from Mr. Vicky Chan about how he undertook the startup, how he started the enterprise, and from where he got the idea. And now, lastly, we heard from Mr. Radhakishore the significance of Unnati scheme for startups, and so many informations are there, and we need to, I believe, take him out and also visit him for getting more information. Thank you very much all the presenters. Despite, against all odds, we could complete on time. You were being given very little time, but somehow you could compress and come up with very nice ideas and very valuable thought, information that is very, very important for triggering entrepreneurship in Manipur. But this is very, very important for any kind of workshop, and as I can feel the pulse of the audience also. We cannot complete without the question and answer sessions. So now it's open, you can ask questions.
Firstly, I mean, Kumar. I have used manufacturing company, proprietor laser. I music best for I question dialogue. I the plan manufacturing manufacture plan and expansion new words there. Plan Z. I can even a plan to the lanes without the factory shops without the machinery will be okay. Not will be a plan for
service sector civil construction plus durable physical assets. And we can consider the way for provided
okay, aduga sida proprietor di kasu proprietor also eligible program daga
sole proprietorship partnership LLP private limited.
Thank you sir, thank you.
हजिकी क्वेश्चन में तुमसे एड ऑन तौर जाओगे अखोइने लैंड डेवलपमेंट की अखोइने थादेगिबा पैसा से असी से काउंट तौबदे यावगद्रा फैक्ट्री साबदे थादेगे पैसा से आई ngसाइ थ्रेशोल्ड 50 लाख हाइने हाइगिबदो अदुदु काउंट तौबदे यावगद्रा
See, my micro enterprises side micro industry or special case purely planner business so one CR invest over manufacturing context that can be quite minor planner business so one CR invest over service civil construction plus durable physical assets at least minimum 50 lakhs invest over although micros minor special case micro enterprises both for manufacturing and services 50 lakhs minimum investment as minor labor. Aduga sida manufacturing case Manipur small step investors chawna pisa investor masing TV aduga 50 lakhs CRC minimum investment consider suppose me planning business to minimum 50 lakhs at least for example 30 lakhs di mana investor will planning business eligibility criteria 50 or 30 lakhs di mana aduh case la pun kemarin factory workshop civil construction aduh workshop factory workshop aduh course kya mana yang aduh at least mana hana 30 ini suppose workshop sahari 25 for example aduh lagi inclusion lagi 55 lakhs this year aduh eligible way jadi consider registration kita aduh bahaya kita aduh incentive calculation to incentive ki kya bhi kita calculate to just planning business like work post investment of 3 lakhs aduh kita consider to amma workshop yaw 25 lakhs aduh just eligibility criteria to meet the half the post for the incentive is if you have 50 lakhs
sir question to sir sir land development di sir link construction cha se tawre adu ba mai ai business to run tawdi hawdri ba masi eligible mong san dira
chan ni smara apoi city communities ki register ko ya eligible also commercial production to at least 50 lakhs investment la ikra adu di raise to required to close raise to DPR so we can open DPR actually investment see timeline see commercial production under process investment
sir question to sir land develop to se sir land je koi homestead land na to agriculture land da koi develop to we ba asidi sir masi problem le da sir
sir kitang line hang jaw sir sir akoina land ama purchase tawre homestead land on thoe aduda akoina workshed sajare homestead land on bagi pisa tinge lam leibe pisa tinge workshed sabe pisa tingre hari bising loi count to gatra saji da tawro
for service sector kita already civil construction plus durable physical assets civil construction suppose someone mana say bukan set up or market building to adu kan aduga smaller new unit setup to be gaba idea lai raga hana to ko ko adu lai ko GST ever unit giving the setup to the unit to the GST in hana discussion to be first and foremost heavily accumulated scheme I was having all the incentive claims there is going to be full GST invoice to adu looking for the suppose kana once year invest over adu be to GST invoice zero investment that's how we do.
Any question please? Yes.
Thank you very much for the opportunity. So I is a frozen manufacturing relative to cold storage.
Okay.
Kaya naman smile ako yung muso kiwi ko. Ministry guideline dito na all storage sesi ako smile discussion ni tawin ko. Ano hindi ako sige scheme makara manufacturing high value additional yung all storage
Frozen manufacturing, frozen just apa frozen is the IQ rate just last machine yang kata way like that.
Oh, machinery seperti yang macam ni, have all storage have resolusi machinery seperti yang macam ni apa. Atau segi scheme makara segi.
So cold storage nanti cold storage manufacturing unit.
Cold storage manufacturing है. Oh, manufacturing वो है any kind of manufacturing.
Frozen food manufacturing way like that. Frozen foods.
So I akan communication kita tentang layer. Kenapa kamu tu is frozen tu udah season lagi tu lebih machinery so tu kenapa?
Cold storage yang mana nak? For example, apa yang
So frozen food siapa?
French fries French fries ke seperti sini ba? Momo sini ba? Jadi apa samosa sini ba? Masih saya apa yang cold storage yang mana? Equipment sih tak?
Equipment
Misal
storage yang aduh dia air kerja kita tahu ini semua boleh doa depa. Aduh air kau kita tahu kayak discuss kita boleh kayak
Three cold kita.
air objektif dari air
Tahu. Semua mungkin langsung mesti ada belum.
high value addition over what
Kau mana nanti soal ni मतलब CP dengan GST ngatan mana hai benda buat nama ni GST tadi kita kena
For example,
aduh iya kalau dia apa mana kalau suami dia apa mana buat either self finance or bank di loan loan dia set up saya ada mungkin ada kan sudah baik saya itu CIS na component incentive component mo yaw yun aduh mainly for those who are really loan in CIS no capital invest subject sa para terus money yung set up for loan loan.
Sir, last question. Sir, कुछ business तो जब gang हमने लाग सही है. Sir, homework हो जाएगा उन्नति थार के करीबी हो गए ना कायदे हो जाएगा.
Yeah, I'm sorry, because the chairperson also has come for the next program. Okay, please be very specific about the answer.
GST to purpose GST
Later.
GST layer
Later.
aduga pagi adu already adu certificate
Later.
adu already apa yang kita tahu DPR masih DPR jadi DPR
So kanane SMB gani DPR se approve होगा.
ada satu list
Sudah apa gini? Details ini we cannot ini si program kita detail high level Tangan kan untuk deh, aduga masih ada opportunity kita say now you know him, you should visit him. Contact number should be there apa. Ini detail jadi apa ini saran saya highly good. You please reach out to him and for further information. So
Thank you.
for the last time, any last question? Okay, thank you.